Hi, I am Dilandam Pushpakumara. I am 27 years old. I am from Sri Lanka. I live in Dehiyovita. I am single. My family members are mother, father, one brother and one sister. I have 6 months of experience as a kitchen helper. I am good health. I would like to join Romania. I can work hard. Thank you.